So this is a sanding board I made. It's a large sanding disc on top of plywood, and then I used a face plate so I can attach it to the lathe. And I use this to sand segmented rings and anything else that I need flat in lieu of a normal sander. So it fits on. And you can use a rubber, clean it up. I'm working on a project for a friend that I'm going to make a sphere out of this white oak. So I need to glue all these pieces together. So I'm going to sand them, make sure they're perfectly flat. A good way to do that is to pencil on your surface, sand until all the pencil's gone. And I've shown this before, and you can keep penciling until you get it done. So I'm going to work on that, try and get these all flat so I can glue them together. One down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go. So now that I have them all sanded, I'm going to glue them together. Gluing them together in pairs at first, and then gluing the pairs together to build the cube. I'm focusing all the pressure in the center because this is eventually going to be a sphere, so these corners are going to all get cut off anyway. So the strongest glue joint I need is in the center.